How to create a group chat on IMO. Want to chat with a group of friends? This guide shows you how to create a group chat on IMO so you can chat with multiple contacts at once. First, open the IMO app and tap on your profile picture on the bottom right corner. This will open a side menu where you'll find your profile and other settings. Tap on Create a Group Chat right here. A list of all your contacts will appear. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the contacts that you want to add to the group. Tap on the names of the contacts that you want to add. Once you're done, tap on the arrow icon at the bottom. You can now name the group. You can give it a name that you and your friends will recognize. Once you've named the group, tap on the Create button to create the group. You can now start chatting with all the members of the group. You now know how to create a group chat. Get ready to chat with multiple contacts at once. Like and subscribe for more iPhone app tips.